Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the video is genuine HDR, HDR10 or HLG, 10-bit or higher. Open your editor and import the original master. Don't convert to 8-bit yet. Once loaded, set the sequence to the correct color space and bit depth so metadata can be preserved. Make a quick trim to the desired length for an Instagram story, then plan framing for 9:16. Export a short test clip using an HDR container like HEVC with HDR metadata, so you can check the rest of the pipeline without wasting time. Now encode carefully. Choose HEVC H265 with HDR metadata intact and 10-bit color. That's how you keep the dynamic range. Make copies for each story segment if longer than 15 seconds and set output to vertical 9:16 or add pillar/crop guides. If you expect non-HDR phones, apply a mild tone map to avoid crushed highlights before exporting a second SDR version. Once encoded, inspect the file on an HDR-capable device to confirm highlights and color are preserved, and that the file finish by moving the HDR HEVC file to your phone without re-encoding. Use AirDrop, USB transfer, or a cloud provider that preserves the original file. Open the native Photos player and confirm HDR playback. Then share to Instagram stories directly so the app receives the original file. If Instagram reprocesses and colors shift or brightness flattens, try uploading the mild tone mapped SDR file instead or re-export with different mastering luminance presets. A key troubleshooting tip: if playback looks wrong, re-export with a softer highlight roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.